In my conversation with Secretary Noem, she was very aware, and we are very engaged in this.
U.S. Senator James Lankford says he's in talks with FEMA and Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem after devastating and deadly fires in Oklahoma.
I landed back in Oklahoma City just after midnight on Friday night, got out Saturday morning early to start getting a chance to see some of the fire devastation that's happened.
Just last week, the U.S. government was on the brink of a shutdown, but after avoiding that, Lankford says he came home to see the worst, but is thankful to see the effort put in by many.
It is truly painful, really grateful for a lot of Oklahomans, and when I met some of the firefighters, they are tired, obviously, and they know it's not stopping.
Oklahoma isn't the only place with disaster. In the southeast, there was a tornado outbreak, and Lankford says he didn't want Oklahoma to get overshadowed when it comes to Secretary Noem and FEMA aid.
Storm wanted to be able to catch her up because they're all the tornadoes that have broken out across the southeast. I don't want FEMA to miss what just happened in this massive amount of wildfires across Oklahoma.
And Lankford also requests that people show the Oklahoma standard in these trying times and consider cutting down cedar trees to prevent future fires. In Oklahoma City, Dakota Wapakichi, KOCO 5 News.